Hi, it's Dr. Mo again at Chiropractic Care Center in Fairfax. We just treated Avery, now we got mom, Amy here, and we're gonna go ahead and check her and treat her. Alright, so Amy, let's go face down. I don't wanna take your glasses off. Go face down for me. Okay. So let's see here. Good job, Avery. Don't put water on mom. Alright, deep breath for me. All the way out. Good. This side up for me. Alright, deep breath. All the way out. Nice. Good. Other side. Deep breath for me. Perfect. Let's go face up. What do you think, Avery? Beautiful. All right, go face on. Let me just check. All right, and she's done. Good job.